Hi and welcome back to the Westlock Library's online tutorial of Ancestry Library Edition. Today's tutorial will be the last in our Intro to Ancestry Library Edition series. Today we'll be giving a brief overview of new collections. Before we start, you must log into the Westlock Library website using your library card and PIN. Click e-resources at the top of the page, then scroll down and select Ancestry Library Edition. Once the Ancestry page is loaded, look for New Collections in the navigation bar and click on it. This will bring you to a new page with the heading Card Catalog. This section is a searchable listing of all record collections. On the left-hand side, you notice that the collections can be searched by title or keyword. They can be further filtered down by collection type, location, and language. On the right-hand side, you can break down your search even further by selecting the drop-down arrow beside Sort By. You can filter it by database title, date updated, date added, and record count. I hope you've enjoyed our first series of tutorials and will take advantage of this great e-resource. On behalf of the Westlock Library, we'd like to thank you for watching and wish you success in discovering your family history.